Transforms dull damaged nails into shiny healthy nails by buffing, cleaning, smoothing nail surfaces in the comfort of your home. Professional Salon Quality 7-sided nail buffer block designed to give your nails the attention to detail they deserve. Lightweight and convenient to use. Great for anyone to use and have the best looking nails in the room. Perfect for general manicure purpose, suitable for professional use, used for finger and toenails. Step 1 Use to shape nails. Step 2 Use to refine shape of nail. Step 3 Use to smooth any rough edges of nails. Step 4 Use to even any uneven edges. Step 5 Use to smooth surface of nails. Step 6 Use to buff nails. Step 7 Shine nails for a polished finish. Top reviews from the United States. Nice tool for a quick touch-up. I like this a lot as it provides everything I need in one tool. I use it if I just have a small repair. I don't want to use it for everything because I don't want to wear it out too quickly, and I have other sets that are all different grits. I would definitely order it again if it lasts a reasonable amount of time. I just received it and I've only used it twice.